These are the 5 bags I brought with me on my trip to Provence. The first bag is a brand new one. I just got this from a cool new brand called Freja, New York. This is a neutral bag. It's really good quality. It's all leather. It has nice suede on the inside, and it has a great zipper on here, so it's nice and secure. I use this at night for walking around when we're in Cannes. It was awesome. The next one is one of my all-time favorite bags. This is my Chanel Blue Mini Square. I've had this since 2016. I use it all the time, and it's a staple on my summer trips. It goes with so many things, and I can dress it up or dress it down. This one is one of my new favorite bags. I just got this from Giada about a month ago. I've been bringing it with me on all my trips. It's so cute, and it's such a nice neutral bag, and it's also my favorite travel day bag. I can fit everything in here. This one is a super cool Gucci Garden kind of evening bag. I bring this with me whenever I know I'm gonna have some fancier events. Honestly, I use this with black tie all the time. It can turn into a clutch because I can just put the strap inside. It has a little bit of sparkle, and it's just something a little bit more rare because people haven't seen it since it's from Gucci Garden. Finally, here's my beach bag. If you guys have been following me, you know I'm a huge fan of tiny beach bags. This one is from Vineyard Vines. It's a little raffia bag. It can fit a ton of stuff, and it's perfect for the beach, especially when you're traveling with only a carry-on. Last but not least, this is my carry-on personal item, another Goyard St. Louis tote. If you saw my last video, I had a green one. This is in the blue. I've had this for so many years. I use it all the time, especially in the summer, and especially when I'm on the Côte d'Azur or anywhere tropical, things like that. And you can see it's still full of everything. So yeah, those are all my bags. So those were all my bags that I brought with me on our trip to Provence. And once again, everything was just in a carry-on and a personal item. So everything was multi-use, multi-function. But since it's the summertime and we're in the south of France, everything was a little bit more colorful and exciting.